Another Indian is now heading a global tech giant. IIT Bombay graduate Parag Agarwal has just become the new Chief Executive Officer of Twitter Incorporated, one of the world's largest social media tech companies. This after Jack Dorsey, one of the co-founders, has resigned from the CEO's post. Parag Agarwal is an alumnus of IIT Bombay. He's a fully Indian techie and a 10-year man at Twitter, and now he's the boss.
After leading the world's biggest microblogging site for 16 years, Jack Dorsey has stepped down from the post of Twitter CEO. The 45-year-old tech tycoon shared an emotional message to announce his resignation. Dorsey said he'd worked hard for the company to break away from its founders, adding that the decision to step down was his own. The Twitter founder said he will serve in the board to help the organization complete its transition. Dorsey ended by saying not many founders put the company over their ego. The tweet garnered nearly 1 lakh likes in just 1 hour. During his tenure of 16 years, Dorsey was no stranger to controversies. From holding a Smash Brahmanical Patriarchy poster in 2018 to liking tweets supporting the farmers' protest, and more recently being locked in a battle with the Indian government over the new IT guidelines, he's had his own share of fights. The tech entrepreneur and philanthropist in his message named Indian-American tech executive Parag Agarwal as the new CEO. Dorsey said his trust in Agarwal is bone deep and that he was unanimously appointed by the board. The Twitter founder said the new CEO has been behind every critical decision of the company and he leads with heart and soul. Agarwal took charge by thanking Dorsey for his continued friendship, mentorship, trust and partnership. In an email he wrote to the Twitter team, he highlighted that exciting opportunities lay ahead for the organization. Twitter's newest CEO is an IIT Bombay graduate and has been with the microblogging site for over a decade, overseeing machine learning and AI across Twitter. Just minutes after Parag Agarwal took over, controversy erupted over an old tweet which said, "If they do not make a distinction between Muslims and extremists, then why should I distinguish between white people and racists?" Despite starting on a controversial footing, Parag Agarwal has joined the long list of Indian origin business leaders at the helm of top tech businesses.
Parag Agarwal's elevation as the CEO of Twitter is a further mark of success of Indians in Silicon Valley. It is almost inspirational in a fairy tale-like way for not just the Indian Americans who are rejoicing in US today, but for thousands of Indians who live abroad and especially in India, who harbor dreams of success in Silicon Valley. This is Savita Patel at the Twitter headquarters in San Francisco for India Today TV.
Let's go straight across to Manas Tiwari joining me live on this big development. Manas, Parag Agarwal, the latest, in a long string of Americans who've lit up the top echelons of big tech in the United States. Was this one coming or was this a surprise? He's a 10-year Twitter man. Jack Dorsey was on his way out for a while, but to many this came as a bit of a surprise.
I think, Shiv, to be very honest, if for anyone who's been following Twitter's journey for the past few months, or even in fact for the past few years, Dorsey stepping down should not come as a surprise, but definitely Parag Agarwal's appointment was kind of a shocker because he does not have a sort of high profile as Sundar Pichai had at the time he was appointed as the Google CEO. And to understand this appointment, you actually have to go back and look at Dorsey's time at Twitter. In fact, this was his second tenure as the Twitter CEO, and he wasn't supposed to take up this role full time. He was initially appointed as the interim CEO and somehow managed to convince the board that he was the right man for the job. But this tenure was in fact full of challenges. You had 2 US elections in this very tenure. There were also accusations of spread of misinformation on Twitter. Also, we had the COVID pandemic at the same time. And if you have been following Dorsey and his statements in the recent past, it was very clear that his priorities were also changing. He was talking a lot more about crypto and all the new tech. Also, he had his own company, Square, which he is still handling. So there was already too much on his plate. And I think this collided with Parag Agrawal's emergence at Twitter. He's, of course, as you mentioned, was there for almost a decade. But in 2017, he took over as the CTO, and he's believed to be very close to Dorsey as well. And, it was Dorsey's vote of confidence that helped Agrawal get this top job. And I'm sure his job will also not be very easy, because there'll be a lot of other challenges that Agrawal will have to, deal with during his time as the new Twitter CEO.
Very interesting, and we're going to be watching very closely because there are so many before him, and he just adds to a long list of Indians who are right at the top. Manas, thanks very much for that. In fact, Akshita gets us that full list that we've been talking about of Indians who've made it up the big American, big tech ladder. Take it over, Akshita.
Let's break down for you all the Indian tech leaders. Parag Agrawal, the CEO of Twitter, is joining an elite list, a league of extraordinary Indians. Besides him, you have Sundar Pichai, Google CEO, also an IIT graduate. He's a Chennai boy. Satya Nadella from Hyderabad is the CEO of Microsoft. Then you have Arvind Krishna, the IBM CEO, born in West Godavari in Andhra Pradesh. Shantanu Narayan is the Adobe CEO. He too, like Satya Nadella, is from Hyderabad. And that's not all. The list goes on. You've got Raghu Raghuraman, who is the VMware CEO, and Dinesh Paliwal, Harman International CEO. These are the Indians who are ruling the roost and continue to head Silicon Valley. The latest in that list is Parag Agrawal.